ordinary USB flash drops copy files as slowly as snails, and uploading to iCloud is equally sluggish. With the NCC SE101 USSD, you can transfer data files more efficiently. It supports high-speed transmission at 500 megabytes per second, allowing you to transfer 1 gigabyte file in just 2 seconds. Moreover, it can expand the storage of your mobile phone. It is plug and play, solving the problem of insufficient mobile phone memory. It features a gaming console-style appearance with a hidden interface design. By pushing the middle slider, one end reveals a USB interface for connecting to desktop computers, while the other end has a Type-C interface that can be connected to iPhone 15, 16, Android devices, MacBook, gaming consoles, and speakers, enabling easy storage expansion and data transmission. With a zinc alloy body and a color electroplating process, it is shock-resistant and wear-resistant, and it will not be damaged even if it falls from a height. It is compact, easy to put in your pocket, and can be hung on a keychain or mobile phone with a lanyard, making it more worry-free to carry around.